This is a song about milk, and I like it. Hey, Michael Blaine. I like to drink the milk all day long. That's why I'm writing this drinking milk song. Milk is good for me and for you. And you know you wanna drink some too. Unless you are a lactose intolerant, then you can't have any tomato rent. I love milk, it's good for you. And you know you wanna drink it too. Milk, milk, milky, milky, milk, milk. Oh, it's milk, milk, milk. They say it does the body good. That's why you must have drank a lot of milk back in the day. Cause your body really good to look like hay. You must have drank a lot of milk, 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 milk. I love the milk, 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 milk. Drink your milk unless you are lactose intolerant and you can't drink it. But you need calcium because it's good for you. Yeah! Drink your milk, kitties! Meow! Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Yay!